All right, so an externality exists whenever the internal cost does not equal the social cost, which basically means that there is some positive external cost, right? So if social cost is internal cost, right? If I could write this here, is equal to internal cost plus external cost. If external cost is zero, then internal cost would be equal to social cost, and there'd be no externality. But when it's not equal, there is some external cost, and so there is an externality. If we're talking about a beneficial externality, then it basically means that the internal benefit is not equal to the social benefit. Okay, so. All right, and then we can think about these third-party problems, which basically occur when there are externalities, right? That's basically what we're referring to. Anytime there's positive or negative externalities, then we have a third-party problem. All right, so like I mentioned, right, externalities kind of have two varieties. There's the negative ones, the ones that are costly to society, and then there are the beneficial ones that have positive effects on society. So, of course, negative externalities are the ones that have cause harm to society, that cost society. It's when third parties experience these external costs, right? So when there are external negative externalities, it basically means that without any sort of correction, if we just let the free market take its course, then too much of this good would be produced. Okay. Whereas with positive externalities, giving some benefits to society, not enough of it is being produced. Okay. So another common example of a positive externality are flu shots. So flu shots, if you get your flu shot, it means that I am less likely to get the flu, even if I don't get the flu shot, right? Because I can't get it from you if you've gotten the flu shot, right? But as a society, we would like more people to get their flu shots than actually do. All right, so let's get a little practice with these concepts. Which of the following activities would most likely create a negative externality? So if you need to, pause the video for a second and think about this. Well, this shouldn't be too hard, hopefully, for you, because I basically already gave you this answer, right? The answer is B, smoking a cigarette, right? Eating a slice of pizza. I can't really think of any way that would create a negative externality. Taking a nap, that could potentially, especially if the nap interrupted something, some plans you had with your friends or something like that. I don't know. That could maybe potentially create a negative externality, but it's not 100% clear. And then getting a college degree, I can't see any way that would create a negative externality. Other than that, maybe by getting into college, by you getting into college, it meant that somebody else couldn't. That could potentially be a negative externality, but for the most part, getting a higher education benefits society. So, all right, which of the following is most likely to create a positive externality? Well, I think I just gave you the answer to this one, right? Getting a college degree, yeah. So, lots of benefits to higher education.